Hi everyone, and welcome to another of our tutorials. Today we're going to make a very simple rustic styled buttonhole using the spiraling stems method. This little design is very simple. You can use any materials that you have, so use your own creativity, and can be worn by any gender. So to make your nice rustic sprig style buttonhole, you need to use the skills that we've already learned, which is how to spiral your stems, and you'll find those on the link above. So you can see that I've already started spiraling. This makes a really nice sprig style, and as always I'm putting all of my stems in from left to right. Then I'm going to take a Crispidia and I'm going to put that at the top. This is the smallest of the two. They usually go to the outer edges of any design, and then I'm going to put the smaller one next to it. Again, you can see that all the stems are spiraled. Sorry, the bigger one next to it. Then I'm going to put a little rosebud there in the centre, so that's going to form the focal flower. And to bind that off, I'm going to use a little piece of floristry tape and just pull and twist. And this is something that we've done before when we've done wiring and taping. So again, that's another video that you can check out, another tutorial. And that's basically your little sprig style design. And I'm going to take some twine. This is just ordinary string or ordinary twine, and if you turn your buttonhole and you put the twine up against the centre of it there, so you've got a little tail hanging down here, and then you go over your design once, twice. I usually go about 10 times like that, and then you pull that together, and again like so, and just make a little shape there, and then we the ends off, and just take a pin, just a little pearl-headed pin, and pop it into the design like that, so that we've got what we need for pinning it on. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, then please would you like and share, and if you happen to make any of our designs, then I'd absolutely love it if you got back in touch and let us know how you got on. Thanks so much once again. Bye.